Hi angels, it's Kanya, your favorite gossip bestie. I'm here to spill all the devilish tea, have some gossip. तो honestly speaking, I know कि ये बहुत ही फालतू चीजें हैं, but interesting भी है. And I love tea. I know you love tea. Like you cannot lie, okay? You cannot lie to Kanya. I know all you girls and boys and everyone out there. तुम लोगों को gossip करना बहुत अच्छा लगता है. Horns out, opinions on. So the first gossip is Alia Bhatt won a Filmfare Award for the third consecutive time. मतलब क्या ही चल रहा है इस दुनिया में? Are Filmfare Awards or any kind of award shows even real anymore? Or are they just like a credibility thingy given to these people just because, I don't know, they're popular or they have someone's daughter or because of their connections? I don't know what's going on. But Alia Bhatt winning a Filmfare for a film like that. Crazy. I mean, Alia is an amazing actress. She's one of my favorite Napo kids. But Alia को जिगरा के लिए Filmfare मिला है मतलब, isn't that diabolical? Sorry, not sorry. Babe, Alia, no shade to you, but this is just a bit weird. The next we come to Aryan Khan's debut, The Bads of Bollywood. Woof. That got a lot of love, didn't it? I mean, another Nepo kid, but उसका काम तो अच्छा है और वो hot भी है तो मतलब good job Aryan Khan. Bads of Bollywood के actors के बारे में तो छोड़ ही दो, उनके बच्चों तक को इतना टेंशन मिला. रजत बेड़ी साहब, हमारा इतना iconic actor, इतने सालों के बाद उसका comeback हुआ और उसके बच्चों को इतना ज़्यादा attention. Is it just for the looks or is it for something else? मुझे तो नहीं पता, but a lot of people are saying Rajat Bedi's daughter Veera Bedi looks like young Kareena, and I cannot deny. I mean, दोनों ही अपने आप में बहुत ही pretty हैं, but I don't know, isn't it weird that people are just giving attention to people just because of their beauty? Like, what if she didn't look like young Kareena? Would she get the same amount of attention? Something to think about. And when it comes to Bads of Bollywood के promotion, another iconic guest, Miss Ananya Kapoor. Sorry, अनन्या पांडे का फेक टैन लुक हुआ काफी वायरल और लोग कहने लगे कि यार ये सेलिब्रिटीज अभी फेक टैन भी करवाने लग गए. हम इंडियंस को गोरे स्किन से बहुत ऑब्सेशन था और अब is the trend going in reverse? Are we getting more obsessed with what the Westerners like? Because Westerners को तो bronze skin, tan skin बहुत अच्छा लगता है और हमें गोरा गोरा चिट्टी. Recent diva Ananya Pandey, you are a diva. Do you realize that? और अगर तुम फेक टैन करवा भी रहे हो तो एक्सेप्ट कर लो यार. और अगर नहीं एक्सेप्ट करना है तो एटलीस्ट झूठ तो मत बोलो.
This is the test of bronzer which all are saying that I've put.
I'm gonna come back and find you. We got more.
It's called going on a good holiday and getting a tan.
आप ऐसे आकर सफेद एक्चुअली ब्रॉन्ज झूठ बोल रहे हो मतलब दिल को दुख लग गया. बहुत टेस्ट पहुंचा मेरे दिल को. People only ended up trolling you even more after that. I mean, babe, why, babe, why? Why, oh, why? Tell me why, no. Next is Hardik Pandya and his new girlfriend. Ooh. B-Town is buzzing. बहुत लोग बोल रहे हैं कि वो बाई बहन दिख रहे हैं, so सही है. मतलब हार्दिक जी, अगर किसी को ढूंढना ही था तो अपनी बहन जैसी लड़की को क्यों ढूंढा? But I mean, his choice, his decision. But the only hypocritical thing here is that सब लोग बेचारी नताशा को इतना ट्रोल कर रहे थे, इतना जी और आर वर्ड बोलते रहे और हार्दिक हैज मूव्ड ऑन और उसको तो सब कुछ तारीफ ही मिल रही है. ऑब्वियसली ही हैज द राइट टू मूव ऑन. वी लिव इन अ फ्री कंट्री. आई मीन कम ऑन. बट लाइक जो ऑडियंस ने नताशा की लगाई है ना, इट्स जस्ट सो अनफेयर बेब. लाइक आई मीन divas don't do that. You guys are really brutal out there. Speaking about moving on, the glam girl Himanshi ने अपना second marriage, अपनी दूसरी marriage announce किया है, and I'm so happy for her because that girl's been through shit, okay, and she's moving on, and according to her video it's an arranged marriage. I'm glad that she has not wallowed up in all the pain because I know a lot of people who just can't move on, you know, after a breakup or a divorce. So cheers to you, babe. The only thing is बहुत कम समय में उसने move on किया है, so I hope she has healed herself completely. All the best to you, babe. शादी में जरूर बुलाना, ठीक है हिमांशी, याद रखना. And the most recent gossip on the list is Dua Singh. And the next gossip on the list is Dua's face reveal. Whoa. Deepika Padukone and Ranveer Singh decided to reveal their cute little baby's face this Diwali. Instead of people saying, oh, she's so cute और ये और वो, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोगों को लगता है कि ये सब AI का कमाल है. Like, तुम्हें लगता है कि रणवीर या दीपिका ने सोचा था कि हम अपना बेबी का फेस रिवील करेंगे तो लोग उसे एआई बुलाएंगे? मतलब दैट इज सो वाइल्ड. पीपल एंड देयर रूमर्स, आई मीन कम ऑन गाइस, लिटिल गर्ल्स गेटिंग अक्यूज्ड ऑफ बीइंग एन एआई, दैट्स जस्ट क्रेजी. मतलब चल क्या रहा है इस दुनिया में? द फैक्ट दैट दीपिका एंड रणवीर डिसाइडेड टू रिवील देयर डॉटर्स फेस ऑन दिवाली इज काइंड ऑफ similar to what Alia and Ranveer did with their daughter Raha some time ago. I mean, if Alia had revealed her daughter's face after Deepika had done it, then log bolte ki see, Alia is copying Deepika's every move. लेकिन अब Deepika ने किया है तो कोई कुछ नहीं बोल रहा. So is it just hypocrisy or मुझे लोगों का दिमाग समझ में नहीं आता है, but that's wild. And that's it for today's gossip. Okay, so this is gonna be like a bonus gossip from like 2 months ago or 3 months ago, I guess. मेरा दिमाग में इतना कचरा भरा पड़ा है कि मुझे याद ही नहीं आ रहा. Gossip that I want to talk about today is about the rebel kid, Mari mother. Come on, the tea was tea. So according to a lot of people, rebel kid is she is a cheater, she is this and that. तो उसका bestie सूफी मोतीवाला ने ये स्टोरी लगाया था. रिदा distanced herself from Apurva. Her ex made a really beautiful song about her. तो मतलब this girl is living in her main character energy. That's all I can say. Can you imagine your ex coming in the public and making a song about your relationship? I mean, if that's not iconic, what is? That is literally giving main character Gilmore Girl, Pretty Little Liars, I don't know what other show energy. Like, damn girl, you're living my dream life. So, देखो भाई subs, अभी मुझे नहीं पता कि कौन सही है कौन गलत है. रिदा सही है, सूफी सही है, उसका ex सही है या रेबल किड ही सही है, मुझे तो नहीं पता. But the tea is always teaing and I love my hot tea. And I think that's enough gossip for today. I need to go and have some matcha, do my skincare, and have a good night's sleep for my beauty and my natural beauty. तो मैं जाने वाली हूँ अभी, and I want you to go and take care of yourself as well, and you can give your horns a break now, and I will see you for next month's gossip. बाय द वे मेरा मेकअप तो अच्छा लग रहा है ना? मतलब कुछ लोग बोलते हैं कि मुझे ब्लश ब्लाइंडनेस है. आई डोंट बिलीव दैम. आई थिंक आई एम ये बहुत ही नेचुरल है. दिस इज़ द वे आई जस्ट वोक अप. एक्चुअली मैंने थोड़ा सा ही यहाँ पर पर्पल लगाया है. एवरीथिंग एल्स इज लाइक ऑल नेचुरल. हैशटैग आई वोक अप लाइक दिस. I have a tiny disclaimer for you. If you do not agree with any of my opinions, then don't blame me. You can blame the horns. And if you want to disagree with me, you can definitely comment below and we can have a conversation. And if you do agree with any of my opinions, then as well, you can comment below and I will reply to you. I'm going to take a leave now. Sayonara, angels. Bye. Alvida. अलविदा, कभी अलविदा ना कहना. So this was today's episode of Opinionated Kanya. This is my first ever episode of Kanya. I hope you liked her, the girl who was here before. This is me, Jewel, by the way. And yeah, मुझे बस आप बता दो कि आपको ये कैसा लगा. It's just like an experimental thing for me. मुझे बहुत समय से ये करना था. I just wanted some alter ego of mine who could like talk about anything, and obviously this is my first episode, इसलिए मैंने try किया to be as basic as possible. But I know I need improvement definitely. Like my videos देख रही थी और it's not like what I exactly envisioned, but it's somewhere around it. So करते करते हो जाएगा यार, करने से ही तो होता है. तो I'm gonna keep trying my best, and you tell me कि आपको कैसा लगा. And this is just like, if I want to tell you in brief what it is about, it's just like a girl who is like my alter ego. The girl is Kanya, and she has opinions, and she's wearing red horns because, you know, when you have opinions, people are like, oh, she's evil. She has opinions. A girl is supposed to shut her mouth, but when she has opinions, then she's called evil. So that's why the horns. I was like, let me wear the horns. Let me do the honors myself. So इसीलिए I gave Kanya the horns, and whenever she's going to come with the horns, she's going to give her badass opinions, and she's going to talk her heart out. And you can share your opinions about those same topics as well in the comments, and we can have a beautiful discussion. And yeah, यार मतलब इतना ही है अभी के लिए. And I will post an episode of Opinionated Kanya at the end of every month. So it's going to work this way, okay? So it's going to be like at the end of every month, I'm going to post an episode where I talk about all the gossip going on throughout the month. मतलब अगर मैंने November 30th या 31st तो है नहीं, तो November 30th को अगर मैंने एक एपिसोड डाला opinionated कन्या के बारे में, so it's going to be like the gossip of the whole month of November, whatever I find interesting. Obviously, we're not going to go into too much, like things are too toxic and, you know, triggering, but we're going to do something fun and light and something that will make you happy and make me happy. And it's all for entertainment, guys. कुछ भी दिल से मत लेना. It's just for fun. It's just take it with a grain of salt, and yeah, it's just to make you guys laugh and smile. And yeah, I mean, giving my intrusive thoughts a chance to shine. So I hope you guys liked it, and I will see you in my next video, which is going to come next week. It's going to be probably like a sit down video या फिर a vlog. I don't know यार, मैंने decide नहीं किया है. And I'll see you soon. Okay, subscribe कर लेना. If you like me or you may not, still आपको subscribe करना पड़ेगा, because I say so. If okay, so I will let you go. I will stop with the overreacting. I'm कभी-कभी मैं भूल जाती हूँ यार कि मैं I'm not Kanya anymore. I'm Jewel. So I need to be more like, but I'm just not. I'm just not. Anyways, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.